Hey guys.
Oh, I'm so tired. And I have this fat pimple right here. Great. Happy Sunday. I'm getting ready for church to go. Praise the Lord. One thing I do want to try with you guys is the Rhode glazing milk, because I've been so excited to try this. With her newest release, I got the pocket blush in juice box, and then I also got the glazing milk. So we're gonna try this out. This is the thing I've been wanting to try for such a long time. I'm just now getting around to buying it. It's gonna... Ooh, this is kind of nice. I genuinely thought that it was gonna be like really thin. It was just gonna like absorb right into my skin, and I wasn't gonna like feel any sort of like moisture layer. I feel like it created like this layer of hydration.
I'm a fan.
Wait. Dropped it. I like it even more than I was expecting to, and I figured I would like at least kind of like it, but I was unsure. Like, I was curious because it looked so thin in all the videos I watched, and I was like, what's that really gonna do for my face? And then I tried it.
I feel that she ate that.
I'm just gonna have my little girly YouTube time while I get ready and get ready for church. So let's roll the tape. We got to the blush step of my routine, so we're gonna try new Rhode pocket blush in juice box. I've been on kind of a kick of like neon pink. Like, I was trying to go for like baby pink for a while, and then I found this, and this turned into one of my favorite blushes. So I was thinking, what better cream product to pair it with in juice box. I'm just gonna do a little to see how far that goes. Ooh. I feel like I almost need a little more product. That's nice that it's kind of buildable. Ooh. I'm gonna try and add some of this blush on top to like pair it together. Just gonna take a little bit of this and add it. Whoa. I'm obsessed with the way these pair together. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm running late. What's new is the makeup. Hold on. It's not my problem. I'm so late. I feel like this is a common pattern in my vlogs. Sick. Here's my outfit. I have to go to church. Guys, just got out of church. I had a meeting that I had to go to after, and I'm so upset. I was supposed to go to the beach with my family, and they left me. So they said, you're taking too long, and they left me. So that's super awesome. This vlog is not going necessarily how I thought it was gonna go. I thought I was gonna vlog at the beach, take you along, but now we are gonna just spend the day alone. I kind of want to just have a relaxing day. When I'm alone, I don't really know what to do with myself, but I could always do like homework. I'm rewarding myself. If I clean my room, then I can go get a s'mores cold brew from Dunkin. So that's my motivation. This is what we're dealing with. Let's get to cleaning because I want that cold brew bad. Y'all, look at my room. Look at it. I vacuumed and everything. Wow. Okay, I have to fold that. But I kind of did good. I'm like literally sweating now. It's so hot. I'm proud of myself. This looks way better, and I'm like excited to start my week off on a good note, because there's nothing like starting Sunday with a little reset. Dunkin s'mores cold brew. I don't know if you guys have had it before, but it's crap. Like, it's so, I don't know if I can say that on here, but it's so good. Let me show you my fit. I changed it again because I wasn't comfortable in the other one. I'll show you in the mirror because that's probably way easier. I think, I'm gonna be honest, I think both of this is from Brandy Melville. Who's surprised? Amazon? Guys, I'm just embarrassed at this point. Okay, Brandy Melville, Ana Luisa. My rings are every jewels. Hello, Brandy. It's 3:48, so I'm gonna get some coffee. Hi. Could I get some of this stuffed bagel mini? My freaking camera just died. My camera literally died mid-order, so let me show you what I got. I got a s'mores cold brew, which is so good. I've had this a couple times. And then I got these little bagel minis. Only thing, I asked for the everything bagel ones, but it's okay. These are good too. These are kind of unique, and I'd be intrigued to try and make these at home. Every time I've had their food, I haven't really been impressed. I've never been a big Dunkin' person until they came out with this cold brew. That's pretty much the only thing on the menu I like. All right, let's go. Not gonna lie, this parking lot is ghetto. Gotta do it for the plot. This intersection is way better now that they redid it. Let's listen to some music. When we let the story begin, we're going out. Okay, I remember hearing that song come on in middle school and thinking it was the most scandalous thing ever. Like, when people listened to it, I was like actually side-eyeing them. I was like, what's wrong with you? Why would you listen to that song? It's actually so inappropriate. I would hardcore judge. Maybe Ed Sheeran's really playing the field. Who knows? Maybe he's got game. Maybe he's got game, because how would Shape of You come on if he didn't have some game? It's like, jeez, Ed. Let's explore the radio.
Great deals at Skrill's. Being convicted of a DUI. Bruh.
After the break, a young woman in Bangalore, India, is running out of time to decide who her arranged marriage partner will be. When the Moth Radio Hour
What in the world? Howdy. Hi. Hi. Oh, look. Basically, I was thinking about watching a movie. Last night I was watching the rom-com Failure to Launch with Matthew McConaughey. I was watching that last night and then I fell asleep, so I was thinking about finishing that up. I was also thinking of watching a scary summer movie, but it's probably not the best idea because I will get paranoid and freak out. I might just stick with something light-hearted. It's 5:39. I think it's time for me to have dinner soon. I wanted to do pasta, but I don't have pasta. I've drank like most of this. Also, this is a big size. To getting like 12 ounces or 16, and this has to be like 24 ounces. It was free, so I haven't done much except post and edit videos on TikTok and post and edit shorts for YouTube. So that's pretty much all I've done, has been editing. Now I'm going to do some homework. I've been slacking on my homework all week. This is going to be, unfortunately, a pretty short vlog. Honestly, I'm really just trying to upload because I think that I get in my head a lot about my content not being good enough, or it being too boring, or like I don't have interesting enough stuff to post. Then I'm like, I feel like posting the mundane, like everyday boring stuff sometimes is what I like to watch. Just post even like the boring side of my life sometimes. Better to upload something than nothing at all. So I'm trying to just be myself. Feeling the coffee anxiety hitting my bones. Thanks to her, we are throwing that away. Cold brew gets kind of dangerous, not gonna lie, especially late in the day when you haven't ate much and you've had like a little crumb to eat. Had 2 coffees. Will my ways ever change either? No. If you see a particle of dust flying by you tomorrow,
That's just me. Just let me pass.
I'm just kidding. I'm about to make myself a big meal and grub.
What are you doing in here?
Hi, welcome to my fridge. Here's what I'm thinking. We can do some avocado toast. This feels like a good avocado. I think I'm gonna go with avocado toast because that sounds really good. We gotta get a tomato. I wish I had feta, but I pulled it out today and it was indeed moldy. So, where is it? Balsamic glaze. Should I put an egg on top? Well, I don't have eggs, so we're not gonna do that. It's dark. Here's an update. I literally ate all of my food. Cracked open a cold one of these. Working on homework. You bet I am watching Island Princess. I found this on YouTube, so hopefully it's good. But yeah, if anyone knows where to find the whole list and a half of Barbie movies, let me know, because I'm craving nostalgia, but I'm probably gonna go to bed early. So, see you guys.